Let's face it, shipping expensive products can be total chaos. Leaving orders outside is just too risky. Marauding porch pirates swiped approximately 210 million packages in 2021. Plus, the last mile is when products are most likely to get damaged, either from clumsy handling during transit or human error during installation. It's the consumers and specialty brands whose products are often expensive, complicated, or fragile who pay the price. No wonder 62% of consumers prefer to purchase expensive items in-store and avoid shipping-related risks. But what if there was a way to eradicate these risks and convince your consumers to purchase online with peace of mind? Quivers is pleased to announce the launch of White Glove Delivery, our premium delivery service for products that require special attention during shipping due to their size, weight, or fragility. Give your consumers the red carpet treatment with the option of setup, assembly, or customization in their home or office. Go the extra mile and provide an efficient and customizable fulfillment solution available through partnering fulfillers. Orders move quickly from pickup to delivery, but with specialist, care-driven support through the journey and on arrival. Delivery is handled by specialist fulfillers in your dealer network, who are trained in how to handle your products and provide any necessary setup or installation. This includes home delivery, room of choice setup, on-site assembly, old item removal, and more. But really, the choice is yours. Here at Quivers, we believe you should have total control over what services you offer. It's all up to you. You can edit your shipping policy on the Quivers platform and choose which partnering fulfillers can offer these services, as well as decide distance limits, pricing, and even which products it's available for. Reassure consumers by providing a trustworthy, premium delivery option. Set minds at ease by minimizing the risk of damage to a specialty item and offering quick, expert installation once delivered. Extra peace of mind means more conversions for your brand and growing brand loyalty. Access White Glove Delivery on the Quivers online platform, or if you're new to Quivers, visit quivers.com to find out more.